Well, hey, welcome to Throttle Power. Are you noticing a trend here? Yeah, I'm addicted to these pulling tractors from MCV products. Just addicted to pulling tractors, period. I love going to the tractor polls here in Louisville, Kentucky every year. They have like the national tractor polls. It's always a good time. And if I ever find a state fair or a county fair or something with tractor polls, I like going to those too. But I've always liked the big jobbies with all the big fancy engines and stuff. But I wanted to share with you the little mini pulling tractor I just built. And again, it came from MCV Products. It's right here off their website. Here's their website. Just go to their website, click the tractors, and you can go find all the tractors that they offer. They go together fantastic. I mean, they just fit together. There's really nothing to do to them but pull them out of the box and prime them and paint them and put them on a shelf and enjoy the beauty of them sitting there. They're so unique and really cool. But I decided to do this one, this Hemi engine that comes with it. It's modeled after a late 50s, like a 1955 through 58 Chrysler 392 Hemi engine. So I decided to put the distributor in the back. I just got done with the 5-engine tractor, which is right here. And I had someone say, hey, you've got the distributor in the wrong spot. And I says, well, I never really thought of saying that it's modeled after a late 50s Chrysler Hemi engine, a 392, and the distributor's in the back of those. I kind of like that look a little bit better, and it looks a little bit different. But you don't have to add distributors to those. It's just something I did. But also just got done building a 4-turbine tractor. You can check that out. Another nice build. But anyway, let's get the camera turned around, and I'll show you the unboxing of this tractor, how it comes, and show you what I did to it when I built it. I think you'll like it. All right, got my little tractor, my mini tractor. I'm assuming that's what it is, from MCV Products. And we're going to get into this thing and check it out. When they say mini, they mean mini. Those axles are for the front and rear tires that I've learned. And I will unbag everything to show you what it looks like, but we're getting into this together. Well, it is a mini tractor, isn't it? The minis are pretty interesting. There's a complete engine. There's 20 bucks right there. That's why that 5-engine tractor is such a good deal. There's what you got, and there's how it's packed. Very cool. All right, the mini. Got it all unbagged. And again, there is a class for these minis. They're pretty cool when you watch them run. And they are a mini tractor with a full-size engine with them. And of course, it comes with the Hemi engine, tires, wheels, seat, everything. The engine just comes off. And again, everything just fits together really nice. That's why I enjoy building these. Very cool. I'm going to get to cracking on these tractors. Before I start, I like to get everything all under one color. And this is usually my primer of choice, that Vallejo black. It's a nice primer with a big can, and it saves you a bit of money. There I am starting to get some of the aluminum painted on after everything was primered. And the next step was my favorite step of modeling, and that's decaling. Get a look through all your decals and pick something out that's going to work. Have fun with this thing and just go with it. Use some extra decals you've got. There's my favorite spray paint of all time. That tester is One Shot. I use Revving Red. I love that line of spray paint. And I just walk outside and spray this stuff. There's some of the metal paints I used for the tires. And this, speaking of the tires, this gives me a chance to let you know my favorite color of choice for plastic tires or 3D printed tires or resin tires is your Tamiya Rubber Black. I love that paint. Here I am getting a few things done there. I just walked outside and painted the tins with that Revving Red. Used the Morgan distributors. I love those distributors. I think they're the best bang for the buck. So I pulled out a Morgan distributor and decided to put a distributor on the Hemi engine. Here I am decaling. I don't use any decal set or anything, just a little bit of warm water and go at it. Comes with your axles. There's the front axle.
Kind of cut it down to size, put it in. There you can see it sticking out on each end. And I use super glue on this whole entire build. Super glued the front tires on. There's this bottle of super glue I used. That's what I like to use on these parts, is super glue on these 3D printed parts. Rears come with rear axle also. Put the rear axle in and super glue your rear tires on. And what I like to do on these rear tires is get something that's going to get them to stand up straight. So I use those two bottles. I know they're square, top and bottom, and I just put them up against the rear tires and let them sit for a few hours or maybe overnight. This S&J metal polishing powder I like to use on a lot of my aluminum products. It gives a real aluminum metal shine to it when you polish that powder on, especially on a black part. Getting the engine wrapped up. I'm used to the 5-engine tractor. And there it is, about done. And we just stick it in. And it just plops right in with a little tiny dab of super glue. The tin is now dry. So I like to, on the back of the tin, there's a panel that I like to paint an aluminum color. I go to my AK Real Color markers. If you don't have any of those markers, get some. I love them. I've been using them now for about a year, and they work great. And there is the tractor. Man, what a fun build.
What'd you think about this little guy? Well, what'd you think about this little guy? He's a shorty, and there is a such thing as these little mini pulling tractors when you go to the tractor pulls. It's kind of a new class, saves a little bit of money. They're a little bit smaller, and I've heard it's like putting a full-size engine on a go-kart and hitting a track. I heard it is a riot pulling one of these. But we'll see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.
I found a Facebook page you might enjoy called Scale Pulling Vehicles. They got a lot of these tractors on there. It's pretty cool to watch what other people build on the pulling tractors. And there's a tractor finished up. Fun build, super easy build. This is like a slump buster build. MCV Products does a great job on these. I am not sponsored by them. I purchased this tractor, so I can tell you whatever I want on this thing or not tell you anything at all. But I liked it so much I wanted to share it with you. So go get your pulling tractor and put it together. They are a blast to do. MCV Products, you got some great pulling tractors. Thank you so much. See you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.